Hello, welcome to my channel. That is probably this past paper. So right now I have mathematics paper 2 technical extended. It's from October number 2020. We have already done, I believe, 12 questions. We will be doing question number 13 and onward. Okay, there we go. Okay, so n is given by this number. Okay, right. 14 and as a product of this prime factor. Okay, so what would be 14m? It will be 14 times m, which is 2 to the power 7, into 3 to the power 3, into 5 power 2. Now remember, if I break 14 into prime factor, it will be 2 and 7. Okay, and then 2 to the power 7, 3 to the power 3, and 5 to the power 2. I can combine these two with those two, so I will have 7 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 8, and 3 power 3, and 5 power 2. So this is how we will write 14 and as a product of the prime factor. Okay, I will clear. Now, R is an integer, and n over R is a cubic number, and the smallest possible value of R. Okay, very good. So n over R would be, n is 7. Sorry, n plus not 7. Okay, n. Okay, better. Yeah. Okay, forget about it. Okay, so n is 2 power 7, 3 power 3, and 5 power 2. Okay, what should I write here so that this thing become a complete cubic thing, right? So 2 to the power 7. If I write 2 only once, then it will become 2 to the power 6, which is a cubic thing, right? This is already a cubic thing, and this we have to remove it because it is not a cubic number into 5 power 2. So this way, I'm saying this 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. If I divide this number by 5 square is 25, 25 times is 50. By 50, then what will I get? I will get 2 to the power 6, okay, and 3 to the power 3, which is same as 2 square is 4 times 3 and power 3. So this is a cubic number now. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now, question number 14. Okay, find the value of, okay, so this is basically 3 square and divided by 3 power minus 3. Am I right? So this can be written as 3 power 2, and if this 3 comes up, it will become 3 power 2 as well. Right? So it will be 9 times 9, so it is 81. Okay, easy. Now, what is this? 16 power minus 3 by 2. So it can be written as 1 over 16 power 3 by 2. Am I right? Okay. And 16 can be written as 4 square. Right? And it could be plus or minus. In both cases, it will be 16. And then this has a power of 3 by 2. So, 1 over, now this 2 will cancel with this 2, and I will have plus minus 4, and its power 3. So, it will become plus minus 4 power 3 is 64. So, I will have two answers plus minus 1 over 64. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, now question number 15, factorize. Okay, remember this famous formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? Okay, so this can be written as x square minus 8 square. So I can apply this formula now, and it will become x plus 8 into x minus 8. Okay, easy. Now part B, we have to factorize this expression. Okay, you see, in this part and in this part, you see this bracket x minus 2y is common. So if I take this x minus 2y, the whole bracket common outside, inside I will have 5x, and plus from here I have this is power 2. So I have taken one power out, so it's 6 times x minus 2y. Make sense? So this is x minus 2y, and this would be 5x plus 6x minus 12y. So this can be written as 5x plus 6x, 11x minus 12y, this is one factor, and x minus 2y, this is the other factor. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, now question number 16. This is interesting. It's a bit challenging. Okay, you see, this AB and BB, okay, AB and BB, they are part of a 15-sided polygon. Okay, 15-sided polygon. So from this information, can we calculate this angle? Okay, you see, if it is 15-sided angle polygon, then the total number of angles will be equal to 15 minus 2 times 180. Right? So this is the total number of angles. And if I find all the internal angles, it comes out to be. So if I divide this whole thing by 15, it will give me each angle. Okay, so this is the angle, measure of the angle ABD. ABD. Okay, how much is this thing? Let's calculate 15 minus 2 is 13 times 180 over 15. So, okay, this will cancel. And if I multiply 12 with 13, 156. So this is equal to 156 degrees. Okay, so this angle is 156 degrees. Okay, if I add into it 14, right? So measure, sorry, angle ABC. Okay, now look at the bigger angle. ABC is 156 plus 14, which comes out to be 170 degrees, right? Okay, now how many sided polygon is that going to be? Okay, so if it is n-sided polygon, then the total number of internal angles will be n minus 2 times 180, right? So this is the total number of angles. And if I divide this whole thing by n, it will give me each angle, and that each angle is 170. Make sense? Now we will try to solve this equation. N minus 2 times 180 is equal to 170n. If I open this bracket, this is 180n minus 360 equals 170n. If I bring on this side, so 180 minus 170 is 10n. And this is equal to 360 degrees. n is equal to divided n divided is equal to 3. Okay, so this is very interesting that this A, B, C is the portion of a polygon with 36 sides. Okay, I hope you understand this whole question. Okay, now question number 17. Okay, this is also interesting. B is this point and D is this point. BD is a diagonal of right. The ratio is okay, find out. Okay. You see, let's roughly try to repeat it. Minus 3, 1. So minus 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. This is point B. Okay. And D is minus 5, so 2 units more, and 9. So 9 is approximately over here. So this is D. Okay. So uh, BD is a diagonal of a kite, and the ratio of the side, okay, and AC is on the other side. So I'm not sure, but let me assume that it is something like this. So A, B, C, D. This is the kite. Okay, and these two lines BD and AC, they intersect like this. And the ratio of this BD to AC, BD to AC is 2 versus 3. So this AC is 1.5 times more than BD. Okay. In other words, we can say that AC over BD, right? AC over BD is 3 by 2. Okay. So AC is 3 part and BD is 2 part. And given what is the length of AC? We need to find the length of AC. So let's try to find the length of BD first. How do we find BD? We know B and T are these 2 points. So it is, if I apply the distance formula, it is minus 3 minus minus 5 and its square plus 9 minus 1 square. I hope it's clear. Okay, so it is going to be 5 minus 3, 2 squares, 4. And 9 minus 1 is 8 squares, 64. So this is under the root 68, right? Now 68 is 17 times 4. Yes. So this is 4 times 17. So we can write it as 2 under the root 17, correct? Okay. Now from this relationship, remember AC, the length of AC is going to be 3 by 2 times BD, the length of BD. So 3 by 2 times BD is 2 under the root 17. So 2 cancel and you get 3 under the root 17. Okay, easy. Okay, find the coordinate for the midpoint of BD. Okay, so midpoint of BD, let me call this midpoint M. Okay, so how do we find it? It is the midpoint of these two, so it is minus 3 minus 5 over 2 and 1 plus 9 over 2. So minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 over 2 is minus 4 and 9 plus 1 10 over is 5. Okay, so midpoint is this one. Okay, now the diagonal AC of the kite passes through midpoint of BD, okay, on the equation of AC. Okay, so this point is the midpoint, right? And this is the midpoint of a BD. And it is on the diagonal of the, it lies on AC as well. It's the midpoint of AC as well. What does this mean? The diagonal is in a kind, okay. Yes, diagonal of the AC. The diagonal AC of the kite passes through the midpoint of the, yes. So now we need to find the equation of AC. We know that it passes through this point, which is this point minus 4, 5. And what about the slope of this line AC? Since it is going going to be perpendicular to the slope of BD. The first thing we will try to calculate the slope of BD. So slope BD. Okay, how do we find y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and minus 5 plus 6 minus 2. So this is going to be minus 4. Okay, so the slope of AC is going to be the negative reciprocal of this, so it's going to be 1 by 4 only. Okay, so we know the slope of AC, and AC passes through this point, minus 4 and 5. So now we can find the equation of the line AC. It's easy. We need to do y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 is 5. M is 1 by 4. X1 is minus 4, will become plus 4. Okay, y equals 1 by 4x, 1 by 12, and plus 1 and plus 5. When you take this 5 on the right side, right? So y equals 1/4 x plus 6. This is the equation of the line AC. Okay, I hope it's all really straightforward. Now, question number 18. Rationalize the denominator and simplify. Okay, so 20 divided by 4 plus under the root 6. How do we rationalize? I will multiply with 4 minus under the root 6 over 4 minus under the root 6. So basically, this is same denominator as numerator. Is the value is structure is 1. And I'm multiplying something with 1. So I'm not changing anything basically. Okay, now the top will become 20 times 4 minus under the root 6. And bottom is a plus b a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square. Okay, so this is 20 and 4 minus 6 under the root. What is the denominator is 4 square is 16 minus 6 under square is 6. So it becomes 10. So divide by 10, 10 cancel, and I will have only 2 times 4 minus 6 under the root. You can leave it this way, or you can multiply inside as an a minus 2 under the root. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, question number 19. We have a cubical shape, this type. So two sides are 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, third one is 7 centimeter. Okay, the diagram shows the box in the shape of a cuboid. Mala has a straight rod of length 10 centimeters, so that this rod does not fit completely there. Okay, so can you find the length of this diagonal from this corner to this corner? Okay, so basically it is coming, we are applying kind of conservation for 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. So this length would be equal to 5 squared plus 5 squared plus 7 squared. Does it make sense? 5, 5, 7. Okay, so it will become 25 plus 25 plus 49. Okay, 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 49 is 99. Okay, so you see, if the length of this rod is 10 centimeter, okay, so 10 centimeter is same as 100 under the root, right? So what we need is 100 under the root, but this length is only 99 under the root, right? So since this is smaller than 100, so it means the rod cannot fit in this box. Does it make sense or no? It's a very interesting question. Okay, okay, I will stop over here. Thank you very much for watching. If you need any, if you need help in any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you find these videos helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.